Hello guys and welcome back to new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money for Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So basically Robinhood is just a trading platform. So basically to make money from Robinhood, you will need first to start trading your stocks or crypto. And basically the first thing to do is to open your Robinhood web app or your mobile application. In my case, I'm using this mobile application. And basically you will need to complete your sign up. You will just create an account and then you will necessarily need to verify your identity. After that, you will be adding funds in your account or wallet, and basically then you will be able to start trading stocks. So when you finish all this process of setting up your account, you will be able to go to the investing plan. So here in the bottom, you will find crypto, retirement accounts, and some uh, golden credit card. And basically, this is the investing plan. So from here, you will find the list of your stock. So basically, you will need to trade your stock. You will need just to learn how to invest, etc. And basically, Robinhood already offers some learning basics or some learning center where you can learn articles to learn about stock, what is stock, what is option, what you need to add, etc., and how you can invest. And basically, after that, after you learn a little bit of basics, you can just go to any stock that you like buy. And basically, here you will find trade. So from here, you will be able to sell and buy these stocks. Also, you will be able to enable some other type of investing, like the options or the margin investing in your accounts. It depends on your experience, etc. So basically, to start analyzing your stock, you can just click on this button, and from here, you can have some view and you can see stocks how it look. And basically, in the web app, it will have a lot more options than the mobile app, and then you can start selling and buying, so you can earn money and rob. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.